how to add a watermark in Adobe Lightroom. Hello, welcome everyone. I'm excited to have you here on this channel because you'll be learning a whole lot. So if you haven't subscribed, ensure you do so and leave a like. So let's go. First of all, launch your Lightroom application. Once you've launched it, you're brought to the Lightroom interface. You can see some icons at the top part of the screen. By moving to the top left corner, clicking on the horizontal lines, you'd see several options. Then after that, you'll see the icon which stands for add photos at the bottom right corner. Click on that and then select the photo that you would like to add a watermark to. Then click add and select it. And once you've selected it and you've opened it, you'll be brought automatically to the editing page. Now on this page, you go ahead to edit your photo, do whatever you like with it. Once you're done editing, move to the top right corner of the screen and select the share icon, which is in the middle of the tick icon and the three dot icon. By selecting it, a mini page will be displayed. Choose export as, which is under share. Alright, and you'll be brought to the export settings page. On this page, you can see a number of options. Scroll down until you can see include watermark. Normally, the toggle will be turned off this way. This will be showing gray. Just click on it to turn it on, then select customize, and you can add a text watermark or a graphic watermark. So for a text watermark, click on the box here, erase if there's any one there, erase and then add the watermark that you would like to use. Then do you want to add drop down shadow? Enable it. Then do you want to increase the size of the watermark? Then you can change the position by making use of horizontal offset and vertical offset. Then if you would like to reduce the opacity or to increase it, then if you'd like to change the color. And once you're done, go back to the top right corner, click the tick icon, and then just like that, your watermark has been added to your Lightroom photo. There you go. Thank you and have a wonderful day.